Hey, it's Rebecca at Design and Adorn, and I want to show you the Picturesque Necklace. This is going to be our featured project when we come back from fall break. So this is going to be the show on Facebook Live on Friday, October 15th. And every Picturesque Necklace features a different pendant from Two Charming Chicks, and we just love these pendants. So they are double-sided. So there's a different image on each side, and then the images are sandwiched between two pieces of glass, and they're just beautifully soldered along the edges. And then look at the beautiful little dollops of silver on there that give it so much personality. And then the charms, the pendants are embellished with all these different charms and beads. So that's the focal point of the Picturesque Necklace. And then for the braid, each kit has a custom blend of delicate beads. These are size 11 delicate beads, and Alex and I put these together to be the perfect color blend to show off your pendant. And what makes the Picturesque Necklace really special is how we highlight the pendant with these two spirals, right? They just draw your eye down to the centerpiece. So we do these spirals with fire polished beads, again, to coordinate with the overall look of the necklace and your pendant. And look very closely at these spirals. Do you see it? They're spiraling in opposite directions. So that is not typically what you see in a Kumihimo design. Typically, they're both spiraling the same direction. The number one question I get asked at my design retreats is, how do I reverse that spiral? And this is the trick you're gonna learn in your Picturesque kit. So this is the necklace. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see the back of it. We finished this with magnetic end caps. Let me do this with one hand here. So these are stainless steel magnetic end caps, and then you have a peyote stitch end cap cover with that little detail. Oops, I'm too close. There we go. With a little detail striping on there. It's so cute. So this is always one of our most popular shows, the Picturesque with the Two Charming Chicks. Let me show you some of the pendants we have. We have different pendants every time we do this project. So it looks like we have some beautiful butterflies. Got the cardinal, great as we're going into winter here. Oh, we're really excited about this one. We've been requesting this one. We have the Virgin Mary with the Sacred Heart, and on the other side, we have the words to the Hail Mary prayer. And again, always different beads and charms. Got a moon. I love you to the moon and back. Oh, that's so sweet. We have dragonflies, bees. Oh, look at this cat. What a handsome cat with those beautiful tiger stripes. All you need is love and a cat. And of course, we can't forget the dog lovers. So we have this dog stamp. And this is actually a stamp in there. If you kind of like turn, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see the little like perforated edges of the stamp. Isn't that sweet? The little dog stamp, 22 cents. I can't remember what year that was from. We have some Christmas charms, winter. So we have like a, jolly old Saint Nick here with some vintage holly on the back. We have some snow people singing. Oh, what fun. And a happy little bird on top of a mailbox. Really pretty. We also have some more, year-round designs. We have some Van Gogh art. Oh, check out. There you go. Check out that prickly pear. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It's a Santa Rita prickly pear with the purple coloring. And I love the charm on there. An enameled charm. So you have that fun green and blue on there. Let's say, you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Love it. Oh, this one's really fun. It's a kiss ticket. So kiss on one side, hug on the other. It's adorable. Oh, and I love tea. So, whoop, here we go. Fun little tea time pendant the teacup charm, super cute. And then we have something very, very special and extremely limited for this show. This is a set of hankies. So these were hankies that had been hand embroidered with the days of the week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And of course, yes, we have started putting together our colors here. But look at this guy. The hand embroidered dog hankies, they are not double-sided. I mean, they are in the sense that there's glass on the back and you can see through, but there's not another image there. It was left just with the hanky in there so you can see all of that beautiful detailed handwork there. So these are one-of-a-kind pieces. So, I mean, that literally got one of each of these. And these are a little bit bigger than our usual pendants. I'll get a ruler out when we're doing the show, but just eyeballing this, I'd say this may be like 1.5 inches square, and then like this Wednesday guy, that's maybe like 2 inches across. So these are really fun. I know we have lots of dog lovers here, and I think it's super cool that these have that fun like day of the week, has that vintage vibe of the embroidered hanky set that you would have to keep yourself organized in the hanky drawer. So anyway, this is the Picturesque Necklace. We're gonna have these kits available on Facebook Live Friday, October 15th. And that's gonna be at 5 o'clock Arizona time. I think we have not changed daylight savings time yet, so that's still gonna be 5 o'clock Pacific, 8 o'clock Eastern. See you then.